Here are some 2 EPL mod KONE traction lift set. Sherwood House Toowong. Blue Dewhurst US 95. Here it is.
Going up.
Cat V. DDA panel.
Eleventh floor.
This one.
Going down.
This one had like the old sliding doors, like it was manual before.
7th floor. Going down.
We'll see if we can get the other one. There goes that one. Red Dewhurst US 91-15. Single doors, these two. These are also micro switch. Here it is. Oh no, the voice got deactivated in this one. Wait, did it? Copy. Yeah, unfortunately got deactivated, but oh well. Oh well. Well, at least Lift 2 still has the KHRL voice. This one got deactivated. Blend it here. And that's it.